Hi, I'm Dr. Melanie Bone, a medical doctor and cancer survivor. In the year 2000, I was diagnosed with breast cancer when I was not even 40 years old. At that time, I had only had one mammogram in my life, and I was good at doing breast self-exam every month. But even I was not perfect at it. I have many patients that come in and tell me they don't do their breast exams because they're afraid of finding something or they don't know what they're doing. They say, "It's your job, Dr. Bone, to do my breast exam, and if you don't find it, the mammogram will." I'm here to tell you that breast exam, both by a doctor and by yourself, is very important. A mammogram may find some cancers, but some are found only on exam. For those of you who are afraid about doing your own exam, I assure you that if you just try to examine your breasts once a month, over time, you will notice if something changes. I describe it like moving to a new city. If you drive the streets, you won't know where you're going when you first move there, but over time, you know how to get from your house to your job to the grocery store, and you don't really think about which direction you're turning when you're going there. If someone put a detour in the road, though, you would know there was something wrong. The same thing with your breasts. If when you examine them, you feel something different, your fingertips will tell your brain that there's a change, even though you think you don't know what you're examining. At that point, it's time to come in and see the doctor and have a clinical breast exam by a professional. Please go to my website to learn more about breast self-exam and imaging modalities for early breast cancer detection. Please go to my website, www.drmelaniebone.com, for more information about this and other cancer issues.